Welcome to EG Geeks, your one-stop shop for all things EG. To help us continue providing valuable content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Now, get ready for some fun. We are about to embark on a little EG experiment. I will create a custom PDF template and collect EG data in tables. Feel free to use any EG acquisition software you are comfortable with. Let's see what we can discover. Our goal is to find the most efficient way to extract tables from a PDF and transfer them into an Excel spreadsheet. I will be working with Neurosoft's Neurospectrum software. The specific challenge is to accurately transfer the tabular data from the PDF into a structured Excel format. Firstly, I'll show you where things go wrong. Here we have an EEG, 22 channels, and I've already chosen some epochs. In future videos, I will discuss all the details of this interface with you. But now our challenge. Settings, View, Report, Templates Editor, let me see, Protocol here. To avoid error when we are transferring data to Excel, we must have in our PDF a space between the title and the head of the table. The title, space, and head of the table. This is important in any PDF you create. I've already created this template. Okay. I have 20 epochs chosen. Now I will create the tables, the PDF tables, templates, protocol. Okay, we have our tables here. Let's export it to a PDF file. Report, export to PDF, and any folder. Okay, we have our PDF here. There are 40 pages, but we must check if each page contains just one table. And the table must be within the limits of a page to avoid error. Let's see. Okay. Well, what happens if I copy one of these tables? Just copy, Control copy, and go to Excel and insert it. You see? Here is the problem. It does not fit. There's something wrong here. Let me try again. Let me see. Here, I'll copy just the numbers, just the main part of the table. Copy. Let's try to insert it. Well, the question is how to go from this to this. To accomplish this, we need to install some apps in our PC to do the job. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.